Dude, he like low-key freezes. Open the door!
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another badass gaming video!
Was that fire? Was that a fire intro?
It's actually kind of fire.
Yeah?
I blasted my eardrums just a little bit, but that's
No,
pretty good.
dude, you know what I did in one of my last videos? Top of the morning to you laddies. Van House Gaming here. Anyway. Oh,
Also
you're
known as Larpnos Gaming.
Larpnos Gaming?
Yeah.
Dude, what are you talking about? We're the original Van House crew.
Bro, we did. We started in 2006 when we barely came out the womb.
Shit, I didn't.
Close your game.
Oh, I don't think I made it 2-player.
This motherfucker. GM Bunker. Oh, we're playing a bunker map.
Alright, where are you at?
6-7.
Hurry up!
We're going.
You're acting like Gmod is like the most demanding game ever.
Well, sorry, bro. It's your fucking game. It's how
Bro,
it goes.
26 mods.
I had like 81 mods at the time.
Yo, you wanna know how much mods I used to have one time?
What?
700.
My fucking god.
Alright, are you in yet?
I'm finding in.
Okay. So we are to run away from the Cat in the Hat, and we're just gonna try to survive, you know. We're gonna try to find each other too.
The fuck?
Yo!
Ew.
Okay. You ready for this?
Who do you see me as?
Wait, what am I?
You're Tom for me.
Oh! You should be Jerry. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh! You're Jerry!
Oh, I'm Jerry. Okay, good.
Okay. Alright, so here's the goal, Henry.
I'm such a dumbass. I didn't have focus open. Oops. Let me record again. Okay, there we go. I have it open now.
You have it open?
I don't know. I was like, am I actually recording? I'm not fucking recording.
Alright.
Whoa!
No!
What the fuck?
I think he's gonna. Oh, I think he's gonna. Is he. Why isn't he
Ew.
killing? Oh!
Fuck! Oh my god!
Yo. Where are you, Henry?
I'm in a room. Oh, I'm kidding.
Where are you?
I'm trying to. Oh, okay. I'm somewhere different.
I don't know where you're at.
I don't know either.
Dude. The 6-7 bunker's been invaded by Cat in the Hat.
Welcome to another Gmod video with El Schaefer. We're being. Oh my god, he's right here.
Where?
Dude, he's with me.
Where are you?
I'm in like a bunker.
Yo, we break through doors, I forgot! Henry! Ah, there's no one open!
Every time you look at him, he gives you the Slenderman thing.
Dude,
He
I
gives
think
you
he's
the
in
Slenderman
with you. Oh, he's right there. He's not moving. Oh, okay,
I'm
okay.
gonna figure area out.
Dude, he like low-key freezes. Open the door!
He freezes and then he goes, right? I saw that shit too.
Dude, okay, where are you?
I'm
No,
in like
why is he near me again?
he's near me. I'm in a large area. There's like a big open space here. He's standing in the fucking hallway.
I'm trying to
He
find it.
teleported.
No, he's near me. He's coming to me. Where's he?
He's
No?
near me. He's with me right now.
Oh,
Oh, it's you.
you see me? Oh my gosh, I forgot you're fucking jerk.
Look, he's like over there. Oh, sorry.
Oh, Henry.
Oh, I saw that.
Dude.
Oh my god. I was gonna go with you. I didn't. I didn't go with you. Oh.
Oh, yo. Okay. Oh, shit. Over here. Run. What do these dogs do
Oh,
to?
God.
Get in! Oh my gosh.
I killed the fucking dog. Oh. Oh my god.
Yo! Oh, it's because I guess
Okay.
there's like a little spot. I guess it's. Yo, he looks stupid. Right.
Yeah, that's, oh my god.
Oh.
He's on me again. Fucking hell. I'm dead. I'm not dead! Oh!
Yeah, I left the bunker.
What?
I left the bunker.
Maybe you'll meet at a bar.
I found the exit.
Maybe